How have you continued to work with people you disagree with? What helps you maintain unity despite the differences?
I think if I were to rate anything that is very hard in a professional environment, that is to be able to maintain unity among the founders, especially in a startup world. Now, in a situation where you are the boss and you're looking at disagreements between your team members, that I find relatively easier to manage, but nevertheless it's a problem. That is perhaps a bigger problem I find. I think I don't want to say that you learn to ignore it, but I think you can refine your reaction to it, and whether reaction to a disagreement you yourself have with your colleague, your peer, or you see a level of disagreement between two of the people who report to you, your subordinates, or in your family, among your family members. I think if you can manage to maintain even keel in your own self, a sense of balance within yourself while you witness a situation or a circumstances like this, that is half the battle won. And the other half is how to solve that. I think I'll always advise, let them solve it among themselves. Don't be a referee. And again, I learned this much later in my life. I refuse to be a referee between two people now, because even if you try to, they will not learn. Very difficult to change human beings at any levels. I don't want to sound political, but you can look around and you will see what I'm talking about. People don't change despite the time gap between, term 1 and term 2. Things remain the same, if not worse.